Want to create stunning videos in minutes? Watch this. Hey, it's time to unlock the full power of Google Veo 3, no tech degree required. If you're new to AI video generators, don't worry. I'll take you through Veo 3 step by step, and by the end you'll be making jaw-dropping videos, even if you've never edited a clip before. First, let's get you set up. Head over to the official Google Veo website. You'll need a Google account, pretty much any Gmail will do. Hit sign up or log in, and you're in. Super simple. Now, once you're inside Veo 3, you'll see a clean dashboard. Look for that big Create Video button, can't miss it. Click it. You'll land on the prompt screen. This is where the magic happens. Just type in what you want your video to show. For example, let's say, a sunset over a futuristic city, slow motion, cinematic. You don't have to be a poet, just keep it clear and direct. Now, Veo 3 gives you a bunch of style options. Want your video to look like a documentary, a cartoon, or maybe something super dramatic? Pick a style that matches your vibe. And if you're not sure, test a few out. There's also an advanced settings tab. If you want more control, you can adjust video length, frame rate, and even the color palette. But honestly, if you're just starting, don't stress about these. The default settings are already pretty awesome. Ready to roll? Hit generate. Now Veo 3 will cook up your video using AI, usually in just a couple of minutes, depending on how complex your prompt is. When it's done, you'll get a preview. Play it back, and if it's not quite what you imagined, just tweak your prompt or style and try again. Once you're happy, click download to save the video to your computer. You can use it for social media, presentations, or just to impress your friends. And yes, everything you make is watermark free except for the AI insider mark in this demo. That's it. In just a few clicks, you've gone from zero to AI video hero. Play around, experiment with different ideas, and don't be afraid to get creative. Google Veo 3 is designed to make video creation easy for everyone, even total beginners. If this was helpful, hit that like button, share your first Veo 3 video in the comments, and subscribe for more AI tips. Catch you next time. If you want to learn more like this video, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss our latest AI tools updates. Also, check the link for this tool in the video description below and try it for free.